let's take a look at midpoint of a chord. When we talk about midpoint of a chord, of course we know a chord is any line that crosses a circle. For instance, if we call this point A, call this point B, a chord is a line from here to here. That is a chord. So midpoint is definitely a line that comes from the center of the circle to bisect a chord. So if the law says that this angle here is 90 degrees, this angle here is 90 degrees. So if we decide to draw the radius of the circle and that radius this way, and call this O and call this M. Now OM, line OM is the midpoint. So since it bisects the chord, we can say that if this place is, for instance, 2 cm, this length will also be 2 cm. So let's consider this question. A chord of a circle is 12 cm long. That is, the chord is 12 cm long. The radius of the circle is 10 cm. We all know from the diagram that from here to here is the radius of the circle, r, and equals to the side r. So calculate the distance of the midpoint of the chord from the center of the circle. So we are simply told to find OM, line OM. So let's quickly draw the diagram. So we have here a chord of a circle is 12 cm long. Here is the chord, 12 cm long, and the radius of the circle is 10 cm. So this is the radius of the circle. (10 cm). You simply complete the diagram by drawing the midpoint. Note it stops here, not here. So here is 90 degrees, here is 90 degrees. And as I said earlier that it bisect the line simply means it divides the chord into two equal parts, meaning that here will be 6 cm, here will be 6 cm. So we can get rid of the 12 for now. So let's simply label this A, B, C, and the midpoint M. And from the diagram, we can simply take out this triangle, one triangle out of it. So we can call this, from here, we can call this A, here is M, and here is C. So from here we have 6 cm and the radius 10 cm. So looking at it, let's label this part AM, line AM. So using Pythagoras theorem, we have this hypotenuse. We have 10 square equals AM square plus 6 square. So we can take this here and we have 10 square minus 6 square equals to AM square. So this will give us 64 equals AM square. Taking square roots, we have AM equals to square root of 64, that is 8 cm. So the midpoint AM is 8 cm. Thank you.